Update here on Stellar and what it's been doing. Pretty similar to what we've seen with XRP over this week. Kind of a back check here. We're doing a little what I like to call fib ping pong between the 786 and the 618. This is a typical retrace area for altcoins to come back to the 786 area, find some resistance there before they can then break through. I think Stellar is going to do what XRP and the rest of the altcoin market is going to do. We're going to start putting in price acceptance above this 886 fib level around 56 cents. And then obviously once we drive above 64, we're going to be off into a new all-time high very, very soon after that. Stellar is lagging a little bit to XRP as far as where XRP is. XRP has already broken its old all-time high or very, very, very close. But Stellar still sits down here. I still have a price target for Stellar at around $4. And I still think this was a wave 1 and this is a wave 2 for Stellar. So I think we have a lot more left with Stellar that is possible. But yeah, not a lot to really update you here on Stellar. It's kind of followed the same patterns and movements. Again, it's showing a little bit more strength compared to XRP. XRP dumped a little deeper than Stellar did. As you can see, Stellar is already back to its area like XRP would be at 340. So XRP did a little bit more of a drastic sell-off here. And partly that's because this was a 70-something% move for XRP. So yeah, the market's not going to be exactly the same. It's going to look similar, but not exactly the same. But yeah, Stellar might be the one that starts running first here. So I'd keep an eye on that. I'm going to actually move my alarm line here and put it about there, right around 50 cents, just under 50 cents. Obviously we're going to need to get through 45.5 cents on Stellar and close a 4-hour candle up in this area. And then I would start looking to start building a long position if you haven't already. But yeah, Stellar's looking good. It didn't dump as hard as XRP did. So looking good, looking similar. And again, if you come back here to before November, this could not have been a wave 1 for Stellar because of that little booger right there. So Stellar still tells us that there might be something else than meets the eye here within the larger altcoin market. This was a wave 1. This was your 2. 3 is going to be very powerful and expansive, probably $4. And then when we pull back for wave 4, then we get wave 5, 13 or 26. Take your pick. So, yep, quick update on Stellar. Hope that's helpful for everyone that is trading and holding Stellar. And we will see you soon. Thanks, guys.